What's good for psoriasis? I have it on my elbows. I don't want it to spread. The psoriasis I've been expressed in your elbows is not localized. It's systemic. Your elbows are the weak point. That's it. So it's being expressed at the elbows. Psoriasis and any kind of skin condition is a reflection on your kidneys. Your kidneys are weak. So your skin is taking the burden of the waste elimination from the kidneys. Also means your liver is weak, your spleen is weak, and all these need to be addressed. Okay, so if for me, I'll be on 100% fruit diet, maybe a 30-day dark grape only diet, and I'll use the Fabulous 5, the kidney tea. I use the liver and pancreas tincture for the liver. I'll use a lymphatic spleen tincture for the spleen. Okay, and to take nettle seed to strengthen the kidneys, and then 2 different kidney tinctures at the very least. That's how you work on on the psoriasis and any kind of skin issues. But be warned that you will see a flare up. Okay, likely see a flare up. So when you're using the fruits are going to stir up those acids and trying to get rid of them. And if your channels of elimination are not open up properly, this is the bowels, the lungs, the skin, okay, and the kidneys. If those 4 channels are not open up properly, then you might see detox symptoms and skin flare up even more. But it's temporary and it goes away. I would work on my kidneys, hard on my kidneys, and work on my liver and my spleen, okay, for any kind of skin condition.